Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from blandelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make popcorn chicken. Popcorn lovers, this one's for you! Crispy outside and juicy inside, this flavorful chicken is all you need, whether you munch it on its own or just add it to your salad bowl. Trim some of the fat from the chicken thighs and cut into bite-sized pieces. If using chicken breast, there's no need for trimming. Place the chicken pieces in a bowl and stir in the melted butter, garlic, salt and pepper. In a large Ziploc bag, add the flour. Place the chicken pieces into the Ziploc bag with the flour. Seal the bag and mix thoroughly throughout it to evenly coat each piece of chicken. In a mixing bowl, beat the eggs together with the buttermilk. Use a second Ziploc bag to combine the crushed cornflakes with parmesan and paprika. I usually use my food processor and just pulse several times to crush the cornflakes. Next, using a pair of tongs, dip each piece into the egg mixture and allow the excess to drip off. Then transfer the chicken into the bag with the cornflakes mixture and shake to completely coat. And what I do is I add about 10 pieces of egg-coated chicken into the bag with the cornflake mixture and then gently stir to the bag to evenly coat them with the cornflakes. And repeat with the remaining pieces of chicken. Meanwhile, preheat the air fryer to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Air fry the chicken in batches for 9 to 10 minutes, arranged in a single layer into the basket. Repeat with the remaining batch of popcorn chicken. Seriously good. This is such a delicious chicken that will make you forget of any other chicken recipes you've made so far. That was it for today, foodies. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blandelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!